today I am going to show you how to start coding. So I am going to be using Python, which is a coding language. And so I'm assuming you guys don't have Python already, so I am going to show you how to download it first. So go to Chrome, Google, which is pretty much the same thing, but Firefox, Safari, any one of those things. So you're going to click on your thing, or your search bar, and you're going to type in Python. That's Python. You're going to search that. And the first one that comes up, which is welcome to python.org, you're going to click on that. So then you are going to click on download, and it will automatically, well, you don't want to click on it, but just like hover your mouse over it. Then it automatically has a download for whatever computer you have. So I have a Mac, so it automatically has that. So then I would click on that and download it, but I already have it. So pause the video right now and go download that. Okay, so now you are going to find it in your files or your desktop or wherever you download it to. So you're going to not click on the Python launcher, but you're going to click on the IDLE, the IDLE. So you're going to click on that, and then it'll have this Python shell. This isn't the one you want to code in on. Since this isn't the one you're going to code on, you're going to go up to File, then New File, and then you have a blank shell. So, cool. So I am going to have you guys open that up right now, pause the video, and type in hello world, like that, and then space equals. Remember, when you're coding, to always space in between like an equal sign, or like when you get more into coding, maybe like a plus equal sign, or like a plus, or just like a plus sign, or an equals, stuff like that. But for now, just do equals. So we're going to do equals, then space, and then you're going to do parentheses, quotation marks, there you go, quotation marks, and then you're going to type in you can type in literally like whatever you want, because those quotation marks there, that, since they're green, so like I can literally type in anything, but then I have to do quotation marks, and then the parentheses, and then it will make it like that. So whatever is in quotation marks and parentheses won't matter to the code, because you're telling your computer that this, whatever is in here, does not matter for the code. So I want like hi. Okay, so that's good. So then you're going to hit enter, and then if you just ran this, it wouldn't do anything. It would not do anything because you're just saying hello world equals hi, and if someone just told you that, you would be like, okay. Same with a computer. So if I want the computer to type hi out, because if I say print, or print would be like to type anything out. So then I do print hello world. Wait, whoops. There. Wait, no, that's still not hello world. There we go. Okay, so the reason I'm not putting hello world in parentheses is because I want this to stay, I want this and this to match. So, because if I put parentheses in it, that means I'm telling the computer that it doesn't matter. And if I tell that, then it's just going to print hello world. But if I leave this open, it's going to tell the computer that it matters. Well, what happened? There we go. That it matters, and it's going to go back, and this right here, and this entire thing is called a string. So, I'm sorry, only this and only this inside this is called a string. So, I'm making it go back to the string right here. So, hello world. And hello world, it thinks, oh, it matches. And then it thinks, oh, hello world equals hi. So if it equals the same thing, it's going to print out hi. So if I go up to and click this button right up here, I click run, and I click run module, it will want it to be saved. So I'll click OK. So I'm going to name it hello world, well, like that. You can delete this off. You can leave it on or delete it. And then I'm going to save this to my desktop, and then click save. Oh, hold on a second. Looks like there is a mistake. Okay, sorry guys. We had some technical difficulties, so instead of leaving it open, you just add parentheses. So that's what if you want it to print hi, then you would put parentheses. But if you want it to print hello world, then you would add those quotation marks, which tells the computer not to mess with hello world or the string inside. So when I do this and I run it, there. So look, it prints hi right there. So basically that is our lesson for today. So I think we should set a like goal for like 10 likes, because I mean, I would be very excited to post another video of this. And also I would like everyone to keep liking the iMovie video so I can post another one of those too soon. And so thanks for watching. Oh, and I almost forgot. Please subscribe, leave a like, and hit that notifications bell, and I'll see you guys later.